Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. The library will be closed Saturday, November 11th for Veterans Day, but you can always use our e-resources. I've gathered some books about veterans and Veterans Day, and let's start with these in the children's department. They're called Veterans Day, and they tell all about what Veterans Day is about. There's books, and then we also have the kit that has the audio with the book. So those are kind of neat to show little kids. And then in the adult department, we have Life After Military and the Wounded Warrior Handbook. Those are always good ones for our veterans. So come in and take a look. You might also want to take a look at the display in our foyer. It's all about veterans. On Tuesday, November 7th, from 1 to 2, there will be a program about Alzheimer's called Symptoms and Caring for a Loved One. Carrie England, who is an LPN and executive director at a local memory care and transitional assisted living community, along with Craig Jefferson, will be here to talk about the many aspects of this disease. Our second Tuesday Lunch and Learn will be November 14th from noon to 1. And it's going to be Tasty Treats from the Garden, presented by the Garden Club of Rogers. They will share about the legends of plants, their uses in local and not so local cuisine, as well as how to tuck those edible plants into your garden landscape for fresh harvest when needed. The English Conversation Group continues to meet on Thursdays, November 9th and November 16th from 2 to 3:30. And don't forget about the Stitch Together on Mondays from 1 to 2:30. And our November Take It, Make It is paper bead bracelets. Look at these. Aren't these cute? They fit right on. I think they're really adorable. I'm going to have to wear them both. The layered look. Okay. In the teens, they're having their regular programs, of course. And their DIY on Monday, November 6th, will be sun catchers. And on November 13th, they will be doing painting swap. And these programs are from 6 to 8. In the children's department, the theme for the next Toddler Tales on November 8th from 2 to 3 is nocturnal animals. And the craft they're going to do is the nighttime forest scene. Isn't that cute? Buddy Peg's Bicycle Playground will be here on Tuesday, November 14th from 3 to 5. Be sure and check the event calendar for all of their programs and the teen department too. So for now, that's it. Hope you all have another couple of wonderful weeks.